Alright everybody, so my name's Ian, and a lot of the time I build my own stuff, and some people have said, how come I don't put it on YouTube? And so I'm Ian the IanVentor, and this is some of my stuff. Alright everybody, so I normally don't do one of these videos, but I'm going to do one of these videos this time. I'm going to teach you guys how to make this thing that I've been making for almost 30 years now, Macaroni Surprise. It's very simple. First thing, you need a bit of ground beef. Usually I use one of those tubes or, you know, half pound of ground beef or so. And you're going to brown that ground beef in a frying pan. And you're going to need a bag of these rotini noodles, a pot of water that I've already got boiling on high. The next thing you're going to need is, alright, so the next thing you're going to need is these 3 cans of mushroom soup. And you're going to need the rotini noodles. Oh look, it's starting to snow outside. I don't know if you guys can see it snowing outside. Anyway, so you're going to wait for your water to boil. You got to get some margarine. You're going to put a tablespoon of margarine in your water. And then we're going to dump the noodles in. I'll show you guys that when we get there. Alright, so as you guys can see, the noodles are boiled and they've swollen right up. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drain these noodles out. I'm going to drain these noodles out and add the ground beef and the mushroom soup mix. So I've drained all the water out, turned off the stove. I should have probably turned off this one too. That ground beef is cooked. It's good to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add 3 cans of mushroom soup. I've been making this Macaroni Surprise since my kids were little, since I was 17 I've been making this. And my friends used to all come over and eat it. It was one of my favorite things. It's very easy to make, it's hard to screw it up. Although I have screwed it up a couple times. Anyway, next thing you're going to add the ground beef. Can you get me the milk, please? So you're going to mix it all together. I like to add a bit of milk. Everybody's preference is their own. Anyway, you mix it all together and it's done. Alright everybody, so this is what it looks like. This is Macaroni Surprise with mushroom soup in it. That's it, and it's delicious, isn't it, Christopher? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not going to do too many cooking videos, because it's not really cooking, it's eating 4 ingredients. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys try it out. It's one of my favorites, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, everybody. Alright, everybody. So that was the video that I've sent you today. I never ask you guys to do what I do. I only hope I entertain you when I do what I do. Do I do it the same way as everybody else? No, and that's how come you're watching me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you at the next one.